Flozo allows users to create WhatsApp campaigns to send messages to multiple contacts at once. Select the contact group, choose a template or message, configure the campaign details, and create the campaign successfully. Navigate to flozo.ai. Click on WhatsApp Campaign. Click on Add. Click on Choose a template. Select your template. Enter your campaign name. Click on Select the contact group. Select a WhatsApp group from the drop-down list. Select the campaign schedule time as now or later, based on when you want to send the campaign. Click on Send using phone number. Click on the campaign WhatsApp number to select the WhatsApp account for sending the campaign. Click on Schedule Campaign. The WhatsApp campaign has been created successfully. The campaign message has been sent successfully. Customers can check the message in their WhatsApp chat.